Morning everyone, we're back.
Back again.
Ready for another day. Outfits of the day. Just taking the rubbish out.
Good boy.
You guys will be glad to know that this will not be an eating vlogs today. We're going to see the elephants, bamboo rafting, and some waterfalls of some sort.
Yeah, the waterfalls.
You excited?
Yeah.
There's mode of transport.
Look at all those chickens.
Any more good memory?
Yeah. Yeah. Damn.
This in December last year.
Ouais, de ouf. Oh. But we, like...
Land here and free the elephant. Happy เอามาฝากกันมาแต่เช้ามาแล้วOne pack yeah
C'est le poil plus haut.
I am the feeder.
It's so hot right now.
No one pack yeah I keep small why I keep small why I'm have the room I keep the food for the elephant in the time I keep it small because this animal the senior one finish I keep the new one finish I keep the new one
Going to get some food for the elephants. It's so hot right now. One pack. Look at the baby chick. Luke's earning his keep.
Which way is the elephant?
Water? Oh, water.
It's called Michael Jackson.
I know.
Michael Johnson.
No.
Play. No play. No.
People?
Stop. See, don't go to mama.
Why?
It's here.
50.
Yeah, but you can see. We have the big ivory too. I no cut. You can check. You can go to
Look at all those
I no
chicks.
cut.
Look at all those chicks.
Look at all those chickens.
in the jungle, in the wild.
Oh, she's a big boy. Sexy fan henne. Åh, då blir man. Wow.
It's a male elephant there. Apparently they like to stay on their own. I can see why. Elephant safety is great here. Cheeky boy. In the pool. Swimming pool is 50 euro.
Má thôi, đây xin đi nè.เอาดีด้วยค่ะเลยครับไม่ชี้ละเฮ้ย
Not grey. So, hey ho. Oh, I feel like I'm on a salt pool. Smoking banana leaf. It's a banana leaf when you put tobacco in it. Smoke. It's no wacky though.
Genre ça va nous dire.
On a tour of people from Paddy. Speak great English. Bonjour.
Thank you.
Bamboo rafting. Can't wait.
There we are. Oh, baby.
They look great, don't they? Safety first, guys.
Safety at all times. Let's go.
Got a rather soggy bottom.
I know. My bum is very.
Chilling hard. On a scale of 1 to Bev, how hard are you chilling right now?
Really hard.
The hardest of chilling. Don't fall. Ride the waves.
Ride the wave, boy.
Smile the wave. Salty crab.
Howdy crab. Howdy crab.
Say the rubber dinghy rapids.
What?
Say the rubber dinghy. Lift your leg up. Lift your leg up. You didn't sign up for this.
I'll do that.
Today's been absolutely great. We've seen the elephants, seen the waterfalls, and just finishing off with the bamboo rafting now. All thanks to Mr. P for looking after us, so do recommend him if any of you guys are over this way. So yeah, I'm not even attempting to stand up because I've got 2 left feet and absolutely no balance at all, so we would be in the water together. Danger point. Water
Not
depth
looking good, bro.
2 meters.
Not looking good, bro.
Here we go.
What the fuck?
Double fuck. Hello?
Hello? TTS.
Shout out TTS. Thanks for the merch. Everyone, go ahead the
Goon.
follow button for TTS. What the helly? Just getting some stickers we're going to collect stickers in every country that we go to. City. So it's really bright. And put them on the back of our iPad case. So we got a Bangkok one because we forgot to get one in Bangkok, and then we got a Chiang Mai one. Hey y'all, just walking to some markets. Again, not again. Another one!
Because I'm hungry, if you didn't know.
Again. So, turns out it's actually shut. The other ones near us as well, they're also shut. Really too sure where we're going to end up eating tonight. Maybe you might have to starve. Never. No. We've come to the other markets and they're all shut. Near the hand, this is beautiful. I'm really not too sure what we'll be having for tea tonight. I think we might be starving.
Ends, bro.
Luke's took me on the dodgiest route possible.
In the ends, bro.
Flea market. It's where you belong, pal. Oh, Jimmy! It's like gorgeous. Oh, Kitty ran away. Hello, Kitty. Kitty has no tail. Oh, where's its tail gone? Oh, no, Kitty. Oh, hello. On tonight's agenda, Ning Nong 7-Eleven. Tonight's choice, Luke has chose. We've gone for the Tom Yum.
Tom Yum chicken.
Thank you, Tom and Beth, for introducing us to this because it is delicious. It's all the spicy though.
Good spice.
And then we've got a garlic and black pepper like stir fry and some wild rice. Mochi?
What, is that one of them squishy things? Oh.
Not a fan of that one. I am trying a pistachio chocolate. Delicious.